Xiaomi is among the most successful companies in the area of wearable electronics, and to prove this, according to the data from the third quarter of 2019 to the first quarter of 2020, it has been the world's best-selling wearable band. Xiaomi Smart Bands have been successful from the very beginning, and over time, the demand for them only grows. The original Mi Band was sold in 1 million copies in 9 months, Mi Band 2 in 2016 crossed the millionth mark in just 2 months, Mi Band 3 in 17 days, and Mi Band 4 took only 8 days to achieve the same achievement. Now Xiaomi has also launched Mi Band 5, but currently it's limited only to its domestic market. As for the global release, it's expected to start shipping this month. But I'm not so thrilled about it, let me tell you why. As you already know, this band has lots of features as seen on the Chinese variant, but according to some leaks, the global variant will be skipping on some of those. Here, as you can see, we have few images of the packaging for the global Mi Band 5. If you zoom in on the text on the rear of the box, you can make out that it is in English, with the compatibility list and content list being visible, although it's hard to figure out what's actually been written. Anyways, according to the original poster of the images, there is no sign of NFC, Alexa or Xiao AI or the SpO2 blood oxygen monitor with this particular band. If that's the case, the global variant would almost certainly be some variations on the lighter of 2 variations launched in June. This variant looks like it's non-NFC variant and without those additional features. So I would recommend you to wait if Xiaomi launches this variant as Mi Band 5. Cause it's also been leaked that Mi Band 5 will have a Pro variant which is believed to come with all these features. So don't shell out your money right away for this band, wait few days, and if some new information pops out, I will let you know in the community section, or if there is more to tell, then I will make another video on this topic. On 5th of August, Samsung is going to announce lots of devices. Along with that, Samsung may debut the Galaxy Fit successor. That's right, an upcoming Samsung wearable with the model number SMR220 has surfaced in the FCC database. The listing reveals the upcoming wearable packs a 154 mAh battery. In comparison, the Galaxy Fit features a 120 mAh battery and the more affordable Fit E has a 70 mAh battery. So this will definitely last longer and maybe even compete with Mi Band 5 if priced accordingly. So that is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.